So what is active learning with MOKSH Academy? So MOKSH Academy is currently the market leader in USMLE preparation all across India with its unique methodology of active learning, under which we make sure that each of our students solve one block of USMLE style questions a day. Every student has been identified and provided with an academic mentor who guides them through any sort of doubt solving or curriculum timetable or any guidance required in their academic journey. Meanwhile, parallelly, we also help them with CV and profile building. We set them milestones, we give them weekly targets, and the most unique feature of MOKSH, there is a team at MOKSH who on a regular basis checks the performance of students and makes sure students achieve their milestones, and a constant reminder is given to a medical student, to an intern, to a practicing doctor to balance between their parallel commitments and USMLE. We try to make sure while the students and the practicing physician focus on their mainstream, but also give out time to the USMLE project and ultimately succeed in passing this exam the first attempt. So I welcome you all to experience the active learning at MOKSH Academy and start your journey for an American residency today.